This is our backyard. In this small space we try to grow as much food as we can. We have chickens for eggs, and we are already growing grapes, lemons, cherries, apples, strawberries, potatoes, pumpkins, mint, cilantro and a fair amount of tomatoes. And in this video I just want to show you how I do it if my chicken lets me. I'll just put them in the pen for now. Right now I have 11 tomato plants and they're all in pots. The reason I keep mine in pots is because it's easier to move them around, and I did it like this last year and it just really works for me. Now I know they would thrive better in open soil, but if I were to place them in the open soils, the chickens would be able to eat them, and I don't want that to happen. We are working on a raised garden bed, as you can see behind me, but that space is reserved for other fruits and vegetables. We're gonna fill this one up with soil next week. I keep my tomato plants on the edge of our garden bed, this way they don't take up any space and they have support from the fence, which is great. This way I can just tie them to the fence as they grow taller. As some of you may know, I live in the Netherlands, so I don't have to worry about the soil drying out. It rains a lot over here, and if it doesn't rain for a week I could always water them by hand. Now I was quite early with tomatoes this year. I planted these in the start of February and I kept them indoors. First I let them grow in groups, and when it was warm enough outside I separated them and placed them all in their own individual pots. I'm excited to see how many tomatoes we will get from this. This is actually our first summer in this house, so everything is still quite new to us. We did have a little community garden last year, but it's nice to finally have the space to grow food at home. Our dream is to be as self-sufficient as we can be by gardening, preserving and by keeping animals. I saw this little bird pop out his head while I was recording for this video. I thought it was nice to add. But that's how we grow tomatoes in our small garden. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked this short video.